Hello students, now we'll be looking into power of alphabet. All of you please do observe. Our concept is power of alphabet. How we are defining we'll observe. Let sigma is an alphabet, then sigma sigma equal a comma b and sigma power 1 is the power of alphabet. See power of alphabet. Alphabet nothing but sigma only, correct or not? That is nothing but like sigma power 1. Sorry. Sigma power 1 nothing but power of alphabet, understand? So now if I write sigma power 1 nothing but 1 length, you understand? The meaning is 1 length. Sigma power nothing but symbols are 1 length symbol, you understand? Similarly, sigma power 2, sigma power 3 like it will be there. So sigma power k, how we are defining? Define the set of all strings of sigma. Sigma power k defined as the set of all strings of sigma of length exactly k. So sigma power of k, we have all the strings length k will be there. That is defined. Sigma power k nothing but w is a string. String length will be what exactly k. String length will be exactly k. So let us understand with the example, all of you. Suppose if I take sigma equal to a comma b, now sigma power 1 nothing but length 1, that is the meaning length 1. Symbols are length 1 only. String, this also string, right? String, length is 1 string, length 1 string like this. Sigma power 2 means you understand. So length 1 like this, length 1 and length 1 like this. You understand? So what is sigma 2? Length 2 will get. Now I have to start concatenating AA, AB, BA, BB. See, as I mentioned previously, sigma power k means W is a string, length of the W will be k length will be there. See now, in this language, in this set, all length to strings only there, am I right? Length sigma 2 nothing but length to strings only. Similarly, if I take sigma power 3 nothing but what? Length to 3 strings will get, right? AA, AB, BA, BB concatenated with length 1. This gives what? This gives, look all of you, this gives AA, yes, ABA, yes, BAA, yes, BBA, comma, AAB, AAB, ABB, yes, next, BAB, yes, BBB, yes or no? So now see, all strings are length 3 only, correct or not? Similarly, I'm writing here. Similarly, so I can go length 4, length 5. Sigma power k if I take such that W is a string such that length of the W equal to k, I told you. Are you getting my point? So now here there are 2 points I wanted to give. Instead of sigma power k, I will take sigma star. What is star indication? Clean closure will call. I will tell you clean closure. I will tell you what is sigma star indicates. Sigma star is summation of length 0 union length 1, sigma length 1 union length 2, so union length 3 up to dash 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 dash. This is the sigma star. That formally I'll write union of, if I take I greater than or equal to 0 to up to I. Suppose sigma if I take I, okay. So what should I write here? Such that W is a string, length of the W greater than or equal to 0. Am I right? Is it correct? So like I is greater than or equal to 0 up to I, union of this word, length 0, length 1, length 2 up to I. You write, keep any number up to I, that is completely union. If you take, that is a sigma star. So I'm writing sigma star, star indication. The star indication what? Clean closure, clean closure, clean closure. Are you getting my point? A second point I wanted to give, sigma plus, sigma power plus indicates sigma star nothing but 0 length, 1 length, 2 length, 3 length up to nth. Now sigma plus nothing but sigma power 1 union of sigma power 2 union of sigma power of 3 union of sigma power of 4 dash dash dash. That formally I can take union of I greater than or equal to 0 to summation I, okay, summation I, W is a string such that length of the W greater than or equal to 1. Now see, I am writing sigma plus is nothing but positive closure. Positive closure. This is a positive closure. What is the first one? It is clean closure. If star is this clean closure, simple. Star is include zero length. What is the zero length? Nothing but epsilon only. Yes or no? Zero length nothing but epsilon only. Correct or not? Star is a zero length. Like a positive closure nothing but length 1 onwards. Length 1 union, length 2, length 3, like this. You understand? These 2 points you would understand, all of you now. Please note down this properly. So I'll give now some more point. I'll give here. Now look this. So what is sigma star? Again I'll take. Suppose W as alphabet A comma B. If I take length 1 nothing but A comma B, length 2 means A B, B B. I have told you, right? Length 3, length 4 will be there. If I take sigma star, what is sigma star containing? Length 0. Length 0 means what? Length 0 length. 0 string. 0 string nothing but epsilon. Length 1, what is the length 1? A comma B. What is the length 2? A. Yes or no? A comma B A comma A B comma B B. What is the length 3? A B B B. So now this sigma star include all the things are not length 0, length 1, length 2, length 3, length 4 up to nth length. Correct or not? This is what said. This is a universal language also, you can tell. Sigma star is a universal language over the sigma alphabet A comma B. What is the sigma plus? Sigma plus does not containing 0 length. It is start with 1 length. A comma B 1 length, 2 length, BA, AB, now BB and 3 length. So like this is sigma plus. Are you getting? Sigma star including with epsilon, sigma plus excluding with epsilon. That you would understand now. Hello my dear students, write down this. So here I'll observe some points. Some points we can observe. So can I say sigma plus is subset, proper subset of sigma star? Am I right? Yes or no? And sigma star is proper superset of sigma plus, both are same only. So other point I can say sigma star is nothing but sigma plus union of epsilon. One epsilon extra if we add, that becomes sigma star or not? Yes. So another point I would like to say sigma plus equal to sigma plus equal to sigma star minus epsilon. Remove epsilon. Another point, all of you, if I make like a sigma star concatenation with sigma plus or sigma plus concatenation with sigma star, that is giving what? Sigma star only. This you have to understand. Very important point. This is very important point, all of you. Sigma star concatenated with sigma plus, or sigma plus if you concatenate with sigma star, that is giving sigma star only. How? See, epsilon included, right? Epsilon with that all will get correct. Next. So one more point I am writing here. Sigma plus union of sigma star. What I will get, all of you? Sigma star only. Yes or no? See, sigma plus union sigma star. But sigma plus is a subset to sigma star. When union it, you will get sigma star only. Yes or no? Yes or no, all of you? Now if I take sigma plus intersection of sigma star, what I will get? Intersection. Sigma plus only. This important point, all of you. Sigma plus intersection is sigma star, because sigma star, in the sigma star we have a sigma plus extra or epsilon is there. Common if you take sigma plus only will get. These are the point we can observe on power of alphabet, all of you. Yes. So out of which one important point you would understand, sigma star is a clean closure. It is including everything with from the alphabet. Sigma plus start from the length 1 onwards. So I hope you are getting. Please note down everything. Okay. So next we'll be looking into language. What is it mean by language? We will observe all of it.